Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a short video today. I am just going to be showing you how I moisturize my locks, and I'm also going to be making a new little oil mixture today. This is gonna be my first time doing it because it's new, and yeah, so like I said, keep watching, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm not gonna even put an intro in here. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and mix up my little oil mixture. I got this bottle from Amazon. It came in a pack. It was 2 of them in a pack, and I think I paid like $8 for one. I think it's like $8. The oils that I'm going to use is, it's jojoba oil. I got all this stuff from the beauty supply store. Well, all the oils came from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use some argan oil. I'm probably not going to use as much argan oil. I don't know. Might use half of it. And the rest of it, I'm going to use some peppermint oil. First, make sure it comes with the top. First oil I'm going to pour in is this jojoba oil. Yeah. Then I'm going to add in my peppermint oil. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to use most of it, but not all of it. I'm just eyeballing these measurements. And then I'm going to add in my argan oil. That don't need to waste. I got some tea tree oil, but I don't know if tea tree oil and peppermint oil mix well together, so I'm not gonna even. See, this argan oil a little thick. This one kind of, it feel better. I don't want no thick oils in my hair. Okay, this is how much I got in my bottle. It's gonna screw. This top actually screws, so I'm gonna screw it on. I'm gonna mix it up just a little so all the oils can mix in together. I don't oil my hair, use that much oil on my hair, but I'm gonna do a full 360 later so y'all can see how my hair is progressing. I think it's progressing pretty well. On to my spray bottle. I bought this mist bottle from Amazon. I can link it down below, but I think I linked it in another video maybe. But I love this bottle, y'all, because it comes out in a mist instead of just all spraying out at once. But like I said, this is what I have in my spray bottle. I have Aloe vera juice. I purchased this at Walmart. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I never used a whole lot of it. I only used a little bit. I always just use a little bit of the aloe vera juice. I only use about maybe this much, and the rest of it is rose water. I purchased this rose water off of Etsy. I got a big thing like this because I wanted to last a long time instead of buying the I forgot the name of that brand, but buying the little pink bottle over, no, I got tired of it. So I just bought this from Etsy. Okay, now that you know what's in here and what's in here, it's time to get started with my moisture. Y'all, I full view of how my hair is doing. I think, like I said, I think it's doing pretty well, especially the back. The back is liking up pretty good. There it is. Nice little shake. You see, it's a little dry, so yeah. It's a little dry right now, but it's progressing. It's going pretty good. Now, I actually think they've grown some. It's actually time for another twist, retwist, but I don't think I'm gonna retwist it again until March the 23rd. Or either the second, third week of March. It's gonna be a while. I'm not gonna do it in February. Well, I'm trying to hold out, but I don't know. We'll see because Look at all that new growth. And let me see. See, look at all that new growth just right there. Cause this one I retwisted it. Just a little knot that I got from when I retwisted it. And this how much it has grown. And it ain't been a month. So yeah. First thing I like to do is spray my hair. See, give me self. I make sure I spray my hair really, really good. I want to, and I do this routine at night and in the morning. Ooh. Okay, I think this in the middle. Okay, yeah. Like I said, I don't oil my hair all the time. I just started. At first, I was oiling my hair maybe once or twice a week, but I think I'm gonna start doing it maybe a little bit more. I don't know. We'll see. But now that I got my hair soaked, not soaked, but a little saturated, I'm gonna go in with my oil. See how this goes? I hope it's not too thick. I'm gonna put it on my scalp and massage it in, especially oh, it's coming out. It's coming out slow, and I have to remember this isn't a full bottle. I make sure I massage it in. I mostly try to put the oil on my scalp because I be trying to keep from having an itchy scalp, because sometimes my scalp be itching. I was using a tea tree oil, but I decided to just make my own little oil mixture. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, not that much, and rub it and throughout my hair. It's not that much. It's just a little bit. I think my hair is doing really well. Seeing a lot of progress. I'm glad I did it the size that I did do. Get the middle just a little bit more right there. Ooh, feels so good, but I feel like I should have, I'm glad that I did the size that I did do, because my locks are gonna be so thick. See, look at that. They're gonna be pretty thick, as you can see. So glad I did that size. I didn't do it bigger than that. Here's some progress over here too, but I do a 2-month update. Sometime this month, of course, because that will be my 2 months. Just gonna put some more on my hair, water on my hair. So I do 2 layers of water. After I oil it, I put some more water on it. Whoop. Just spread it across. My hair, I think it likes to, I kind of experiment a little, but I think my hair likes to, what you call it, rose water better than it does aloe vera juice. And it's crazy because I used to put aloe vera water on my hair all the time. It's like the aloe vera spray. My hair used to like it, but now it's like, I don't know. Maybe because I didn't make it myself and I got it at the store. I don't know. But yes, here's a full 360 of my hair moisturized. Alright, that's it. And after that, I put on my satin bonnet. I got this one. Actually, I bought a whole pack of these. It was like 4 or 5 of them, different colors. I've been having them for some months now. But I think eventually I'm gonna get one of the longer ones that I can like pin up or whatever. And I'm gonna get that like pretty soon, probably next month, because I don't want this to stunt my growth, because it had my locks kind of like balled up a little, because my locks are starting to grow. See, now they starting to dangle a little, and they had got to the point they were shrunk, like they weren't that size. That's how I know my hair is growing. So yeah, y'all, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time your girl upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'm glad y'all stopped by.
Put the work in.
I'm gonna y'all.
Put the work in. put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. Had me down about him every man. I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gems y'all need. I've been working on his body for the beach all winter. Yoga